In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Luts in Davinci Resolve in just under 5 minutes. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this guide will provide you with everything you need to know to get started with Luts seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, open your Davinci Resolve application. If you haven't installed it yet, you can find the latest version on the official Blackmagic Design website. Once you have the application running, you'll be greeted by your project manager. Decide which project you'd like to work on and click to open it. If you're just experimenting for the first time, starting a new project might be a good idea to play around without the pressure of affecting existing work. Next, you want to navigate to the color page. The color page is where all the magic of color grading happens and is the primary working area for applying Luts. You'll find the option to switch to the color page at the bottom of your screen among several other tabs. Click on it, and you'll now see a plethora of tools and panels dedicated to color manipulation. Now let's locate the Luts on the color page. Look for a panel or drawer that lists Luts. You might need to expand or activate a list to see them. Clicking on the Luts option will bring up various integrated and installed Luts available for you to use. If this is your first time using Luts, Davinci Resolve comes with a few default ones included, but you can also install additional packs if you need more variety. With the Luts interface open, it's time for the fun part: finding and selecting the LUT that best fits your vision. If you're not sure which LUT to use, you can preview different options directly on your footage. Simply hover over each LUT and Davinci Resolve will show a quick preview on the clip you're working with. This helps you choose the most appealing look for your project without committing to any changes right away. Take your time to explore the variety of stylized looks and color grades that Luts can provide, transforming your footage in creative ways. Once you've selected a LUT that you'd like to apply, double-click on it or drag it onto the node view to apply it to your current clip. You can further tweak the effect by adjusting the intensity or blending different LUTs and manual adjustments to refine the look to perfection. And that's it! You've successfully applied a LUT in Davinci Resolve. Remember, Luts are a powerful tool, but should be used as a starting point. Feel free to use your creativity and tweak the colors to achieve exactly what you envision. Thanks for watching and happy editing.